Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already guessed it, let me tell you, we're going to be reviewing this cosplay outfit, which is Catwoman. So, let's get into it. So this is a Catwoman suit, more inspired by Halle Berry. Yeah, big fan of Catwoman, love it. Have been waiting to get one for ages, so I just finally did. Cosplay I've always wanted to do. It is a neck entry latex suit, so that means there's no zippers, nothing, you have to do it all for the neck. As you can guess, it was quite hard to put on if I'm trying to fit my whole body through just this wee neck entry. I think it took like 40 minutes to get this on, so I had to I don't know how I'm even gonna get out of it. Like, that's how hard it was getting on. Then halfway I was deciding, did I just not bother? But then I was like, no, I want to see what it looks like on, so I'm gonna review it, and I'm already halfway there, so why would I put myself through this to not even finish putting it on? But we did get it on finally, even though it took me bloody ages, and I'm happy that I did, because I do really like this cosplay outfit. I think this will be my number one cosplay outfit for the time being. It is a size large, it's a tall, and it is 0.4 centimeters thick, so it is quite thin. It is very stretchy material, so that does help an awful lot. The only thing is, like, if you're sweating, it's not going on. Okay, so let me give you guys a little 360. I'm gonna hold up my hair so you can see there's no zippers. Right, so obviously we have the front, and then with the wrist, that you see no zippers at the sides or back. Neck entry only. So difficult. But I think it's worth it because it gives it like that seamless look that superhero outfits have. I think it gives it more of the actual like real effect instead of my other cosplay outfits, which have the zip and you can see the zipper, but compared to the cheap Amazon ones, like this was not cheap, this one, and you can tell the quality is there. This was £300. £300. Sorry guys, I just had to. It was staring at me. As you can see, I got my nails done to go with it, so it's like Catwoman, like a cat meow. I'm so sorry. So movement wise, it is so easy to move in. It just feels kind of, how would you describe it, like a second skin, like not really. It is definitely holding everything. It is really holding, but it's like breathable because it's thin. It's like airy, but obviously you can feel that you're wearing it. Yeah, very stretchy. You can move in it. I've like sat. You could probably do whatever you want in this thing. Like go for a run, climb something. I don't know. It's a lot of movement. You can really move in this, like, which I wasn't expecting. And I always see celebrities wearing things made from latex, and I'm always like, how do they get in? They must have multiple people helping them, because if you have one drop of sweat, like I done mine's with baby powder, Jesus crikey, it was actually really helpful. I don't think I wouldn't have got it on without it, but worth it in the end. Obviously I don't have that high of a shine, so I will need to get stuff to help give it that big shine, but I think it's even nice the way it is now, especially with like the mask. I would pair it with my knee-high boots and a wee belt, but I do not have my boots on hand, they do need washed. They are really dirty from wearing them in the mud, and I'm not trekking mud through my house, so deal with it. I did my makeup today just to give like myself a wee dark wing eyeliner to go with it, because okay, so the mask was, I think the mask was from Temu. I think it was like £4. It's just plastic. It's plastic. And it's a wee tie back. I haven't tied it because it's like the ties are slanted up the way. So I've kind of done it like a tiara, and it's kind of balancing on my nose because I don't want it to press into my makeup too much. But yeah, as you can see, it is quite high neck, which is nice, but it's not all the way up here, which is what I really like. It's not covering here because I blend my makeup down to about here, so it's not getting covered in makeup, which is really nice. Full length, the length is literally perfect. On the arms, the legs, it is the perfect length. Yeah. I do feel as though it's a little bit baggy, like around the shoulder area. But apart from that, it fits perfect everywhere, like a glove. Not really much else I can say about it. Is it really worth £300? Personally, I think so, because you can feel the quality compared to my cheaper ones, and even compared to like cheaper levers and stuff. Like, this is very good quality, and it is such a good stretch to it, and you know it's gonna last if you take care of it. So if anyone has any tips on how to really take care of latex, please let me know down below.